Hello everyone, this is the second question, that is manage cluster project and permission. Here we need to create three projects and it should be created by two admin user, okay, or admin user. After that it says that Harry user have the cluster administration right. Harry leader, Raja and QA engineer user I have created in my previous video, right, in the first section. And the second question, I need to give some privileges. Leader user able to create project but not administrator task. It means that we need to assign self provisioner cluster role binding to this leader user. No other user should able to create. So it means that we need to remove the group inside the self provisioner group. After that, Raja user can only view the resources from these two projects. Please bear in mind that when we create a new project, a namespace with the same name will be created. Okay. After that, it says that QA engineer should able to have admin access to this project and cube admin should not present. So we need to delete the cube admin secret from the OpenShift -config namespace. That's it. So let's create the front-end, backend and app-db user. In exam, please use copy and paste. Okay. OC new project and it says that front end. In exam, please use copy paste. And here I'm login from my OC. Who am I? I'm login from admin and you must login from the cube admin user. Okay. And exam. After that, backend project. And the third is app-db project I need to create. Okay. Now it says that Harry user should have the administrator right. How we can assign the administrator right? OC ADM. Please remember whenever we are working for cluster, we always use ADM. Okay, with the help of OC command. Okay, policy add cluster rule. We are adding for user, right? Not group. So here we are typing user and cluster admin. Which user? Harry. Now, so once we added the Harry user, how we can check OC login -u Harry user -p review password. Okay. Now execute the command OC get users. I should see all these things here. Okay. Now let's switch to another user OC login -u Raja -p review. Execute the same command OC get user. Now you see that Raja user is forbidden. Okay. So this is my cluster admin user. After that, it says that leader user should able to create project but not administration task. Okay. Now what you can do here, OC describe cluster rule binding, use always tab. Okay. Self provisioner. Now you can see here that system authenticated auth is here. In exam, whether it is added or not, you have to be careful. Okay. So this is a cluster rule, the same name self provisioner and cluster rule bindings is with S. Okay. And it is bind with group and the group is system authenticated auth group. In the exam, it is asked that no other user should able to create the project. It means that we need to delete this thing. Okay. So how we can delete OC ADM policy? We are working for cluster, right? So we are using ADM. Remove cluster role binding from group, right? And here my group from which self provisioner. Provisioner. So this is my cluster role. So this is my cluster role self provisioner. Okay. And remove this user. Okay. This is mentioned here. Okay. So it says that it is removed. Now move forward. The second is leader should able to create the project but not administrate the task. Okay. Now we are giving the privileges. So this time we are working for cluster rule binding, and here in this point we work for cluster rule. Okay, in cluster rule it is self provisioner, and for cluster rule binding is self provisioners at the end s. Okay, so the command is OCADM policy add cluster role to user, and this time we are giving self provisioner role, right? So self provisioner s at the end. Okay, and for which user we are giving leader. Now it is added here. Okay, and how we can check? Again we are using describe command, and now we can see that our leader is showing here. Okay, that's great. After that, as per the question, Raja user can only view the resources from front-end and back-end project. How we can treat this thing? OCADM policy add cluster role. Just press tab. Okay, and we are giving the privileges to user, right? View user to Raja, and in which front-end project. So press tab. It will auto complete. Up arrow key, and then second namespace, that is backend in my case. Now we have successfully added here Raja user. Now QA user should have admin access from the front end project. What we can do here? Just use up arrow key. User is should be admin, right? And username is QA engineer minus n front end. Whatever the project it is given, added here. So as of now, we already log in into our cluster from all these users. So let's use this users command, and now we can see all these users here. At the end, it is mentioned that cube admin is not present. Make sure your cluster admin user is working fine before deleting the cube admin. Okay. So what we can use here, OC, who am I? I'm already logged in from Harry user, and I'm working all these stuff with the Harry user. It means that my Harry user has the cluster admin rule. So now I can delete the cube admin, right? And how you can delete? OC minus n system. Okay, get secret, and the secret name is cube admin. We need to delete this. Okay, so what we can do here? Remove this, get, and delete. It is deleted. That's it for this question.